40 inches wide, look very beautiful in the sky, flying among the clouds. The one who knows every path in the jungle, the one who a common man can't even understand Google Maps. We are talking about the giant macaw parrot found in South America, which comes here from many kilometers away every year. This forest is located in Manu National Park. This park is covered with a large river and trees. Many species of trees and insects are found in this park. The vast majority of Manu National Park is covered with large trees. It is home to a unique variety of wild animals and tree species. So far, 850 species of birds have been seen in this forest. It is a major center of biodiversity due to the diversity of its fauna. Manu National Park is still far from human impacts, and because of this problem, these animals and insects have been saved. The blood macaw is one of the largest macaws in the world, measuring up to 100 centimeters from head to tail. It is also known as high street macaw. Blue macaw parrots live alone for 4 to 5 years, and for 5 years they try to understand the world around them. And after 4 to 5 years, they become so mature that they go out in search of their partner. This is the Scar Lake macaw. The Scar Lake macaw is quite different from the blue macaw, and its color is also different from it. The Scar Lake macaw is slightly smaller in size than the blue macaw, measuring 34 to 38 inches. Found in the jungles of South America, this parrot can fly 15 to 20 kilometers. The flight of the Scar Lake Macaw Parrot has only one purpose, only in search of food. Every animal in the forest looks for a place where it can get enough food. But the main food list of this parrot is fruits and insects. And there is no shortage of food in this rainforest of South America. And there is no shortage of food in the jungles of South America. The lower part of the Amazon jungle is covered with giant trees, where the sun's rays hardly reach the ground. And this part of the forest is home to some small creatures. Every creature in the forest is either a prey or a predator.